Hi, everyone. I'm Jerry. I'm a snorer. I've been a snorer for pretty much all my life. It's created a lot of problems. I've been divorced 7 times. It's been hard to hold a job. My nickname in my fraternity in college was the Chainsaw. I know all of you are snorers, but I think I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that my snoring is pretty unique. My snoring once broke a window, and it decapitated my pet rabbit. So when you wake up after a bad night's sleep, and you wake up to your rabbit cage with a headless rabbit because your snoring broke a window and the big shard of glass cut the rabbit's head off in the middle of the night, and yet you were snoring so loud you didn't hear the rabbit's head get in one final scream before all the blood drained out. It's pretty tragic. I'll stop now.